Dear students, now we are in the topic system of circle objective. System of circle objective. In previous class, we have completed 15 sums in level 2 classwork. Level 2 classwork, 15 sums completed. Let us discuss today from 16th question onwards. The radius of least circle passing through the point 8, 4 and cutting the circle x square plus y square plus 40 orthogonally. A circle is there x square plus y square plus 2dx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This circle is passing through 8, 4 and cutting the circle x square plus y square minus 40 equal to 0 orthogonally. We should calculate area of each circle. Let the required equation of circle be. Let the required equation of circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Let it be first equation, this is second equation. This is passing through 8, 4. So substitute 8, 4 here. It becomes 16g plus 8f plus c is equal to, this is 64 plus 16 minus 80. Minus 80. That is third equation. Next, apply 2g dash plus 2f dash is equal to c plus c dash for 1 and 2. Because the two circles are orthogonal. 2g dash plus 2f dash equal to c plus c dash. Here 2g into g dash, this is 0 plus 2f into 0 is equal to c plus c dash, so c minus 40. Therefore, c is equal to 40. From 3 we can get the value. From 3, 16g plus 8f plus 40 plus 80 is equal to 0. That implies 16g plus 8f plus 120. If we divide with 8, it becomes 2g plus f plus 15 equal to 0. 2g plus f plus 15 equal to 0. Let us write this one as f is equal to minus 2g minus 15. Now we should calculate the least radius. So remembering the formula, r square is equal to g square plus f square minus c. So r square is equal to g square plus this one also, making into a single term, that is g. Minus c means here minus 40. Yeah, it is minus 40. So r square is equal to g square plus, you can write here 4g square plus g square, 5g square plus 2 to the 4, 15 the 60g plus this is 225, 225 minus 40 becomes 185. You can understand this function is f of function of g, not for this f. Don't get confused. This is function of g. To find radius is least. To find radius is least, f dash g is equal to 0. This sum is IMP concept. This is called as multi-conceptual questions. IMP for lanes. F dash g is equal to 0. So you can write here 10g plus 60 equal to 0. Derivative with respect to g. It becomes g is equal to minus 6. Whenever g is equal to minus 6, you can get the value using here. Directly r, here you can substitute. That implies r square is equal to g square means minus 6. This is minus 36 plus minus 2 into minus 6 becomes 12. 12 minus 15. 3 minus the whole square 9 minus 40. So r square is equal to 5. R is equal to least radius is here root 5. According to option, r is equal to root 5 is the first option, 16th question, that is the least radius of the given circle. Now let us going to discuss about 17th question regarding radical axis. A comma C 17th question. A comma C and B comma C are centers of two circles whose radical axis is y-axis. Draw circle lines. If the radius of a circle is r and diameter of second circle, put here A capital A comma C. Put here capital B comma C. This is the radical axis between the two circles. This is y-axis, that means equation of y-axis, that is radical axis, x equal to c. So radius of first circle is small r, radius of second circle capital R. Simply we are thinking that is capital, we should calculate the diameter of the second circle. Now let us write this is s is equal to 0 and this is s dash equal to 0. So s is equal to 0 you can write as x square plus y square minus 2ax minus 2cy plus a square plus c square minus r square equal to 0. Next let us write the equation of s dash as x square plus y square minus 2bx minus 2cy plus b square plus c square minus capital R square equal to 0. By taking radical, this minus this, you will be getting radical axis like this, c square will be getting cancelled. This becomes a plus, so 2x we take in common right here as b minus a. 2x into b minus a plus a square minus r square minus b square plus capital R square equal to 0. You write here since x is equal to 0, because radical axis is x equal to 0. Put there x is equal to 0. You can write now a square, small a square minus r square, small a square minus r square minus b square plus capital R square equal to 0. R square taken this side is all terms taken this side, it becomes r square, small r square minus a square plus b square. Therefore diameter, we need the diameter. Diameter means 2r, that is equal to 2 into root of r square minus a square plus b square is the diameter of required circle. 2 into root of r square minus of a square plus b square, here it is fourth option. Now let us going to discuss about an important sum in mains and etc. also, 18th question. 18th question also IMP for mains. You can get this question in any standard books. B and C are points on the circle x square plus y square equal to a square. A point capital A, B, comma C lies on that circle such that AB equal to AC equal to D. Here this is only logical thing which is most useful for us. AB equal to AC equal to D, then equation of BC. B and C are points on the circle. Draw like this. Put here B and put here C. B and C are points on the circle. On the circle, x square plus y square is equal to a square. X square plus y square is equal to a square is the circle. B and C are points on the circle. A point A capital A, B comma C lie on, this is A, B comma C. A point A, B comma C lie on the circle such that AB equal to AC equal to D. Join like this. AB equal to AC, BC is BC. So what is happening? It is maintaining the equidistance from a fixed point, that constant point to fixed point on the circle. So it is nothing but a radius of other circle. What is other circle? Which is having center B comma C. Now you should calculate the equation of BC. So now you can understand that the circle, another circle is there. This is S is equal to 0 and this is S dash equal to 0. So S dash is equal to equation of circle having center. Equation of circle having center B comma C and radius D. You should try to understand the concept that is being given in the question. AB, let us consider the circle which is having center B comma C and radius D. Then we will be getting an equation S dash is equal to 0. Whenever we got the equation S dash is equal to 0, then you can understand the equation of radical axis is S dash minus S is equal to 0. So S dash minus S is equal to 0 is the radical axis. Now we can write the equation of circle x minus b whole square plus y minus c whole square is equal to b square. X square like this: x square plus y square minus 2bx minus 2cy plus b square plus c square minus d square is equal to 0. This is S dash. Next, S equal to x square plus y square minus a square is equal to 0. Taking radical axis, here radical axis I am writing as L is equal to 0. Radical axis L is equal to x square y square will be getting cancelled. You can write here minus 2bx minus 2cy plus b square plus c square minus d square plus a square equal to 0. So let us remember that thing that a, b comma c lie on this circle x square plus y square equal to a square. Since a comma a, b comma c lie on circle, since a comma b lie on the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square, that implies you can substitute here b square plus c square is equal to a square. That implies here you can understand as this in this place b square plus c square is equal to a square. So equation of BC I am going to discuss with you. The radical axis is nothing but equation of BC. So minus 2bx minus 2cy minus 2bx minus 2cy plus a square minus d square equal to 0. In next step you can write whenever minus taken this side it becomes plus. So 2 taken common, you can write as minus 2 into bx plus cy is equal to 2a square minus d square. 2a square minus d square is the required equation of radical axis. According to option 18th question, 4th option. 18 completed. Let us going to discuss about 19th question, which is last question of laboratory class. If the circle x square plus y square minus 8x plus 8x minus 4y plus equal to 0 touches the circle x square plus y square plus 2x plus 4y minus 11 equal to 0 externally and cuts another circle orthogonally, then what is the value of k? Draw a diagram like this. This circle is cutting a circle orthogonally and touches externally. Okay, let us write like this. This is touching circle. This is s equal to 0, this is s dash equal to 0 and this is s double dash. You can write here the circle notation s is equal to x square plus y square plus 8x minus 4y plus c equal to 0 and s dash as x square plus y square plus 2x plus 4y minus 11 equal to 0, and s double dash is equal to x square plus y square plus minus 6x plus 8y plus k equal to 0. Now what is happening? First circle and second circle touches each other externally, and also first circle is orthogonal to the third circle. Then applying to the g dash, draw like this. Here applying to the g dash plus 2f dash equal to c plus c dash. Then it becomes 2g means here 8 into g dash means 1 minus this is 4, and here it is 2 is equal to c minus 11. So this is 8 minus 8 0, 2g g dash plus 2f f dash. So c is equal to 11. 2g means 8 and g dash means here 1. 2f means minus 4 and this is 2. 8 minus 8 becomes 0, c minus 11. So 8 minus 8 is 0, so c is equal to 11. Two g dash plus 2f f dash concept. Okay. Now apply this. Not this one orthogonal, this condition mistake written here. This is wrong condition. So first of all, we should calculate the two circles touch each other. Apply here whenever two circles touch each other externally, you should write the formula C1 C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. Here you write C1 is equal to minus 4 comma 2. R1 equal to 16 plus 4 minus 20 minus 6. Here you can write minus 1 comma minus 2. R2 is equal to 1 plus 4 plus 11, 5 plus 11, 16 over 5. C1 C2 means minus 4 plus 1. This is 9 plus 16, so it is a 5. It is equal to R1 plus R2. Root of 20 minus C plus 4. So 1 is equal to, you can write 20 minus C. According to by squaring both sides, we got C is equal to 9. Now apply 2g g dash plus 2f f dash equal to c plus c dash. For 1 comma 3, here this is 1, this is 3. For 1 comma 3, so 2g means 8 into here minus 3 plus 2f means minus 4 into here 4 is equal to c. We got here 19 plus k minus 24 minus 16 minus 40 and 19 taken this side, minus 40 and minus 19 becomes minus 59. So k value minus 59. We have successfully completed level 2 classwork, and let us going to discuss about level 2 homework now. Module 2 homework. Students, in the chapter system of circle, I don't want to discuss with you that level 1 classwork homework. You should do level 1 classwork and homework. There is no level 3 in this chapter, because in northern state and eastern states, circle and system of circle belong to same chapter only. Other than Andhra and Telangana, the circle and system of circle belong to same chapter. That is why whatever the circle chapter is there, our system of circle is there, belong to same. So whenever question arises from circle chapter is there, you should consider that is from system of circle also. But in MSET separate bits are there. In MSET you will be reading one bit from the chapter system of circle. In mains, including circle and system of circle, you will be reading only one bit. So now let us going to discuss about level 2 homework. First question: angle between two equal circles with the center two equal circles. So intersecting circles. angle between two equal circles. Put here C1 and C2. C1 is equal to 3 comma 10. C1 equal to 3 comma 10 and C2 is equal to minus 5 comma 4. Here this is the theta. There it is indicating the equal circle. So this is R, this is R. Is 120, then what is the radius of the given circle? So using the formula cos theta is equal to d square minus r1 square minus r2 square whole by 2r1 r2. Theta is equal to given 120 degrees. That implies cos 120 is equal to minus 1 by 2. What is d square here? 3 comma 10 is the center. 3 plus 5, this is 64 and 10 minus 4, 36. So it is 100. 100 minus r square minus r square, because both are same. You can write here 2r square. Here also you can write 2r square. 2 get cancel. R square is equal to, you can write 100 minus 2r square. Minus 2r square they taken this side. Of course this is minus. So it becomes r square. R square is equal to 100. R is equal to 10. That's all. R is equal to 10. Required radius is 10 units. Let us discuss about second question. I think already we have discussed the second question in the level 1, level 2 class work, or in theory which we have discussed. Yesterday I said in previous class I said that the answer is third option. Second completed option. I know the answer already discussed with you. Third question, the locus of triangle here, always locus sums are INP for MSET and mains also. MSET means you should pay more concentrate, depends upon the locus sums. The locus of center of circuits which touch the circle x equal to a and cut the circle x square plus b square equal to a square orthogonally. This is the required circle. If a circle passes through the a comma b and cuts another circle, this is orthogonal symbol. Another circle is x square plus b square equal to k square, not a square. Another circle x square plus b square is equal to k square orthogonally, and a circle passing through the point a comma b here, a fixed point a comma b. Let s is equal to, put here minus g comma minus s. This is the locus point. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So here locus point. Locus point is here minus g comma minus f. What is happening here? This is passing through a comma b. So substitute here. You can write here 2ga plus 2fp plus c is equal to minus a square minus b square. Also you can apply. Also apply the condition 2g dash plus 2f dash equal to c plus c dash. 2g means here 2g only. There it becomes 0. And 2f means 2f into there it is 0 is equal to c minus k square. So here you can write as c is equal to k square. Whenever instead of c you can write k square. You can write 2g here plus 2fb plus k square. I think already we have learned the question. This is passing through a comma b. I said we have learned this is fourth question, students. Already we have learned the question. Okay, 2ga plus 2fb plus c. Instead of c you write is k square plus a square plus b square. Locus of center you can write here minus 2g into minus a. Because locus point is like this, minus f into minus b plus k square plus a square plus b square. So locus you write locus of center. Locus of center minus g comma minus f. Instead of minus g you should put x. So minus 2ax minus 2by plus k square plus a square plus b square equal to 0. Equal to 0. Taken these terms taken that side, you can write this one as 2ax plus 2by is equal to k square plus a square plus b square. Here it is first option. Already this sum also we discussed, but I forgot to say. Of course, anyhow completed the fourth question. Now let us going to discuss about third question. Same question we may discuss. We have discussed in level 2 class 1. Let us do the sum. Third question. The locus of centers of all circle which touch the circle. This is also IMP. The locus of centers of all circle which touch the line x equal to 2a and cut the circle x equal to r. X is equal to 2a is the equation parallel to y-axis. It is touching the line and also cutting the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. This line x minus 2a is equal to 0. Here also we should calculate the equation of locus of center. So put the equation minus g comma minus f. Minus g comma minus f, which touch the line. Draw like this. So r is equal to d constant. Since let locus point is equal to minus g comma minus f. Circle, we can write the circle as x square plus y square plus 2x plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This line x minus 2a equal to 9 touches x minus 2a equal to 0 touches the circle. So using r is equal to d. What is r? Root of g square plus f square minus c is equal to minus g minus 2a over modulus by 1. By squaring both sides, we can get here g square plus f square minus c is equal to g square plus 4a square plus 4ab. G square and e square will be getting cancelled. Also you can write, also not only for this one, also apply the rule 2g dash plus 2f dash is equal to c plus c dash. In the circle x square plus y square is equal to r square. It becomes 2z into 0 plus 2f into 0 is equal to c minus a. That implies instead of c you can write a square. Instead of c you can write a square. That implies now put here a name 1. From 1 you can write. From 1 we need locus. You can write here instead of f minus f whole square. Minus c is there, simply you can write minus a square is equal to 4a square plus 4a into minus g. Better to write here minus 4a into minus g. Taken that side, you can write here f square plus 4a into minus g. Of course, minus f square. Minus 5a square equal to 0. Because we thought here locus point is minus g comma f. Instead of minus f you can write y, and instead of minus g you can write x. So y square you can write like this, plus 4ax minus 5y square equal to 0. So this indicates, this locus indicates a parabola shape will be like this. An important question now we have discussed. The question is third question. Now let us going to discuss about fifth question. Third question completed and fourth question also completed. Let us discuss about fifth question. equation of a circle passes through the origin and a center lie on the line. The circle which is required to center lie on the line x plus y minus 4 equal to 0 and cuts orthogonally. Cuts orthogonally x square plus y square minus 4x plus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. Plus 4 equal to 0. Whenever center lie on the line x plus y is equal to 4, we can write now center verification of option. Let us put first option 2 comma 2, 2 plus 2 minus 4 equal to 0. It's okay. Second option 1 comma 3, it is also okay. Third option 3 comma 1, it is also okay. Fourth option minus 2 comma 6, it is also okay. So there is no question of verification of option. So whenever applying orthogonal condition, option 1 let us write. Option 1, I am writing x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y equal to 0. Another shortcut we can think that since it is passing through origin, the constant should not be, for how many options constant is not there. Of course it is also not possible, for all options constant is not there. So let us discuss about apply 2g g dash plus 2f f dash 2g g dash plus 2f f dash equal to c plus c dash. So 2g means here this is circle minus 4 into here minus 2. Here 2f means plus 2 into here it is minus 2. There is no question of c and c here also. So 2g g dash plus 2f f dash equal to c plus c dash. 2g means minus 4 into minus 2. Here 2 into minus 2. 8 minus 4. It is not correct. So option 1 is not, but he given us simply first option. Let us go and discuss once. Plus 4 he given. Okay. Plus c plus c. 4 plus 0. So 8 minus 4 equal to 4. Verified option 1. If second option is also verifying for you, then you need to follow the method s plus lambda l is equal to 0 and the center should lie on s plus lambda l. This one s and this is lambda. We follow the method s plus lambda l is equal to 0 and after getting s plus lambda l value, you should count the center and substitute the value here. Then you will be getting as lambda value substitute and you will be getting like this. This is easy method. Next is sixth question. Sixth question. This circle cutting x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y minus 1 equal to 0. Students, there is no minus 1. Print mistake is there. You should correct the print mistake as minus 1. The center of circle cutting this one orthogonally. The center of circle cutting orthogonally. The center of circle cutting this circle orthogonally and passes through 0, 0 and 2, 0. A circle center we need. Draw a circle like this. This is passing through 0, 0 you can put, and here put here better 2, 0 and here it is 0, 0. This circle is orthogonal. This is required circle. This is given circle s dash equal to 0. Required circle s is equal to 0. Let us going to discuss about required circle equation as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. It's okay. Passing, no need to put c because it is passing to direct 0, 0. You substitute the value 2, 0 here. then you will be getting 4g plus 0 is equal to 4. So 4g is equal to minus 4. G is equal to minus 1. Whenever minus g comma minus f is the center, we know the formula. Then we can understand the center is first coordinate is 1 for two options are there. Two options are there. Now apply 2g dash plus 2f f dash equal to c plus c dash. For s dash comma s. For s dash comma s and here 2g means 2g. Here minus 1. Plus 2f means 2f. Here it is 2. C, there is no c. So minus 1. 2g, g value we got as minus 1. So minus into minus 1. So simply it is 2 plus 4f is equal to minus 1. You can write here 4f is equal to minus 3. F is equal to minus 3 by 4. We need minus f because center notation minus g comma minus f. Center notation minus g comma minus f. So that is equal to, we can write here 1 comma minus g means 1 comma 3 by 4. 1 comma 3 by 4 is second option. Okay. Seventh question. IMP question, and it is a variety question. That means depends upon the length of chord. Depends upon the length of chord question. X is equal to 1 is the radical axis of two circles. X is equal to 1 is the radical axis of two circles which cut each other orthogonally. Two circles are there. Draw like this. Draw like this. This is s equal to 0 and this is s dash. This is the line x minus 1 equal to 0 is the radical axis which cut each other orthogonally. Like this. Orthogonally. And this is, yes, we don't know. X equal to 1 is the radical axis which cut each other orthogonally. The equation of one circle. One circle equation is given. So x square plus y square minus 8x plus 4 equal to 0 is first circle. This we should calculate. Okay, let us calculate. This is s dash equal to 0. This is s equal to 0. You can put c1 as 4 comma 0. R1 as 16 minus 4, 12. So 12 means over root. Root of 12 is 2 root 3. Whenever the two circles are orthogonal, length of common chord formula, let us remember length of common chord. Length of common chord when two circles are orthogonal. The formula is 2r1 r2 by root of r1 square plus r2 square. Proof also we discussed. Root 2 r1 r2 by root of r1 square plus r2 square is the length of common chord. So r1 we know, r2 we need. R2 only we should calculate. X is equal to 1 is the common chord here. So let us calculate the length of common chord using this formula. You can put here this is 2 root 3. No, this is 2 root 2. Put here center C here 4 comma 0. So now you write D. So D is the perpendicular distance from center to the chord equation. X minus 1 equal to 0 by root 1 equal. So D is equal to 3. Now you can write length of chord. Length of chord formula 2 root r square minus d square. 2 root, what is r square? 12. Minus d square means 9. So it is also we got 2. Now, according to formula, this one and according to this theory, we should get equal. Now, we can write 2 root 3 is equal to, because this is length of chord already we got. 2 r1 means 2 root 3 into, simply you write like this, r2 by root of r1 square means 12 plus leave here, simply r2 square. 2 root 3 and 2 root 3 will be getting cancelled. You square it on both sides. I am writing. It becomes 12 plus r2 square is equal to 4 r2 square. 12 plus r2 square equal to 4 r2 square. That implies 3 r2 square. 3 r2 square equal to 12, r2 square equal to 4, so r2 is equal to 2. R2 is equal to 2 is the second option. This is put, this is IMP already put. Next, 8th question. Let n greater than equal to 3 circles having different radical axes and radical centers. The value of n for which the number of radical axes to number of radicals. Students, I said this in the synopsis concept. NC2 is equal to number of radical axes and NC3 is equal to number of radical centers. Radical center, because among n circles, two circles are needed to get the radical axis. Among n circles, the selection base is NC2 and 3 circles are needed to get the radical centers. Among n circles, this is NC3. I said the formula with you that if NCR is equal to NCS, then R plus S is equal to N. So here N is equal to 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5. I said next sum also in level 2 classroom we got. Maybe the answer is n square minus 4 and minus 5, that is the answer is 0. Already we have learned the question. Next, 9th question. ABC are the centers of 3 circles which cut each other orthogonally, the radical center of 3 circles. In synopsis, I said that whenever the 3 circles are orthogonally, the radical center is the ortho center of the triangle ABC. Whenever the concept ortho and diameter is there, you can try to understand, depends upon 90 degrees. It is ortho. So circumcenter is, the radical center is nothing but ortho center. The 9 questions completed. Let us go into 10th question. The radical center of 3 circles. The radical center of 3 circles. Here 3 circles is given. Let us going to write first one as x square plus y square minus 9 equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y minus 5 equal to 0 and s double dash as x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. To get the radical center, I think you know the concept that the point of concurrence of 2 or 3 radical axes is called as radical center. Now, s minus s dash equal to 0, you can get here 2x, this minus this becomes 2x plus 2y minus 10 plus 5 becomes minus 4 equal to 0. Divide by 2, you can get here x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. So, verify option. Otherwise, then you can substitute, you can do s dash minus s double dash later, substitute the option. Otherwise, you can solve. If there is any problem, verification of option. Verify 1 comma 1. So, what is happening? 1 plus 1 minus 2 equal to 0. So, what is the option of 1 comma 1? Simply only one option is there, third option. 10th question, third option. Okay. Option 3 verified. According to option, here it is, option 3. Now, let us going to discuss about 11th question. 11th one. X minus y minus 1 equal to 0. X minus y minus 1 equal to 0 reads the circle at A and B, the equation of circle as AB as diameter. Let us draw a circle. Put like this. This is S equal to 0 and this is the line L equal to 0 which is intersecting a given circle, and this is another circle. We need the formula S plus lambda L is equal to 0 which is having center on the line. So you write the formula s plus lambda L model x square plus y square plus y minus 1 plus lambda into x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Now you can get the center here. Better to write like this, students. X square plus y square plus lambda x plus y we have taken common, it becomes 1 minus lambda minus 1 plus lambda equal to 0. So you can write the center as minus lambda by 2 and minus of 1 minus lambda by 2. This center is nothing but the meets the circle AB and equation of AB as I have. So center lies on line. What is the line? X minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Substitute here minus lambda by 2. Here minus is there plus 1 minus lambda by 2 plus 1 equal to 0. Take an LCM minus lambda plus 1 minus lambda plus 2 equal to 0. So minus 2 lambda equal to 3. Minus 2 lambda plus 3 equal to 0. So lambda is equal to 3 by 2. This lambda you should substitute in 1. This types of questions are frequently asking in MCQ. Such types of questions asking frequently MCQ. One model should be here. One question should be here. So you can write this one as better to do constituents. Of course, 2 are there. Okay. Let us do 2x square plus 2x square plus 2y minus 2 plus 3x. Of course, here also you can substitute. Okay. Plus 3x minus 3y plus 3 equal to 0. So, whenever 2 is taken common, it becomes 2 into x square plus y square plus 3x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Without shortcut, simply the sum full I have done. The answer is here. First option. Okay, here first option. Okay, students, in this class we have completed 11 questions. Let us going to finish the syllabus 20 questions from 12 to 20 questions in next class.